Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u an Menteri Rang Ba'du Kari Narendra Modi ula penna ba ka sarkar pedeng kan thawi ki fast track court ban pinstat e jing toket jing khun an ba jing pinchtam gi bedon kti he ki kam tu ne pin mi pat ba e jing kli examen paper link kan ni kalong ka sin ka baning kong ba Modi ula kran pat ba halor kani kamat nadu balalong ka sansat march ha ka arpho turik unai tung ka bala pelong da ka cockroach janta Parti CJP but kabalayo jingkrashani ki sengsan prathai kum ka Aam Admi Party AAP Congress but Shiv Sena UBT haga jingtho jong u haga rinsan X u modi ulo ong baka sarkar kala raiban thawi ki fast track court ban pintikna ba ki badon kti hakikam pepali kinyo e ka jing pinchitam ka bakloi ber ka bating e Long ru bala batha ikitna trei kam bagi he sarkar bakin shimlut ya baro ki sinjam gi bidan kam banya dai ka jingbentoi ber ka lawe jing ki samla puli shu shu umntri rangba du ulama ham baginu kinu ki ba persang man pin jular ya ka lawe jing ki samla ki kam thok ha ki examen kin online na ga jing pin shitam kar kum ka an ka jingya kan at New Delhi kala nang jur hadin ba ka CJP kala pelong ka jingya pat ba sha parliament ha ka arpho turik unai tung kabala kenno bakala kala shaka jingya kulmar ka CJP kadang yai dawa badai banweng no madori menteri katnat puli ka sarkar pedeng Dharmendra Pradhan badban ai jingya rap ikilong yeng jing samla puli ka kenno bakila khlat no namar ka jing snosi ka bedai baki jing kenno pe puli ka seng dawa ro ban to kit hong ya ki jing kenno jingya lambakla ha ka examen need Hadin ka jing pinna jung menteri rang ba ka CJP kala jubab lingkot da ka bayai ban jori ka jing dawa jongka Dharmendra Pradhan udai ban hiar shuki
If we could clear the room, then we can just. The doctor can just.
I think want to put the monitor. My nurse is there.
कोई बात नहीं.
नहीं डॉक्टर आप
First, then let me read.
Sir, pen. This one.
Government is positive on not registering cases against those protesting peacefully at Jantar Mantar.
Just a minute, sir. Sorry, please don't do these things. One camera is enough. Please.
One camera is
You
enough.
cannot do these things. No. Please. अच्छा चिक ना. Please.
चिक
don't.
आप वीडियो देखेंगे फोटो
Video.
You are in video. You can't be doing these things. You look at it.
Correct.
Don't cover each other's cameras.
So statement from the government side, government is positive on not registering cases against those protesting peacefully at Jantar Mantar in Delhi and those participating in the march to the parliament on July 20, 2026. The government has already assured threadbare discussions to find solutions to paper leaks and educational reforms for exams in the parliament. Besides, the government is also positively considering suitable compensations for the suicide victims of recent NEET paper leaks. ये हमारे साइड से है आपके साइड वाला आप पढ़ेंगे या
पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है just that I'm grateful that the government has shown sensitivity towards the children who have been victims, towards the youth who were peacefully protesting on those dates, and that both the ruling party and MPs from the opposition have assured me that their discussions will happen on the floor of the parliament regarding reforms in the examination system like NEET and others, and that we will also be discussing about the accountability of such lapses, and that we'll all make sure that such things never happen. No child, no parent will have to go through what these 20 children and their parents had to go through. I'm happy that you have assured me that, and I'm sure, as the children have been demanding, at the suitable time, and no one to dictate, you will take accountability in the ministry with the minister also as a responsibility, and I'm sure you are already considering. And with these assurances, I'm touched and grateful to the government, and I want to appeal to the protesting students to maintain utmost peace. To express their feelings is a legitimate thing, but I do not approve violence of any kind, and allowing any antisocial elements to take advantage of this is not acceptable to me. It should be a genuine demand by genuinely concerned people, in this case youngsters. So with that being fulfilled, I'm grateful, and I will be happy to break my fast. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And thank you. I have my leaders from the apex body of Ladakh, and the KBA were also here, and they have flown all the way from Ladakh, and I'm grateful to them. Thank you. Thank you.
Sonia from Monitor.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And Gitanji, you have always been by my side and support, and I don't want to thank you, but to express my feelings this way. I think hunger tastes better.
So, want to have some milk also?
No, ma'am, please
No,
follow
no,
the
please,
guidelines.
1 minute. The milk will be symbolic. One by one.
Yeah, I have sent a day by day menu. No, sir.
No, not just symbolic, just for
One
this
spoon.
thing. Not a spoon also.
No,
Just
sir. People don't know whether. No, sir. I know how it is.
Refeeding
As
syndrome happens.
No, no,
There's a
no.
refeeding
Mom,
syndrome.
he doesn't have to drink it.
Just
But why, sir? It is wrong.
It's-
Give milk.
Correct, okay.
We don't want to show.
Acha.
just soup is
Take it.
best.
Okay.
Soup is best. Low energy.
Can I answer? So you want?
Thank you, sir. Thank you. After 26 days, this tastes very good, but hunger doesn't taste bad either.
To some people, no?
My doctor's care has been very, very